Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, we got the Swift one here, Sky Challenger, qidi 550, however you say it. Anyway, if you've seen the last flight on this one, well, it hasn't been uploaded yet, but anyway, when you do see it, you'll see that I had an incident and crashed it and had a vibrating prop, and it vibrated the motor loose and it came crashing down. So all I had to do was mount the motor back on, so it cost me 2 screws. No big deal. Let's look at it and see what it can do now. See if I got it fixed or not. Here we go. It seems to be. Sounds good. Don't hear any vibration, but this will be my first attempt at flying it after the repair. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching. Hope you're all doing well. Looks good so far. Wow, sure smells out here. They done spread manure on the fields. Shoo-wee, smells like money. Oh, look at all them seagulls. They smell that manure too. Man, this is such a fun plane to fly. In my opinion, I really like it. Plenty of power with that brushless motor, a 2800 kV. 7.4 volt battery. Nice. Doing well. Sounds really good. Don't hear any vibration anymore. I did put the extra prop on it that it comes with. I'm gonna try vertical. Oh no, get out of the trees. One thing, I have to fly around a bunch of trees. I don't have any. It's not even my field out here. I see a farmer out there, they may get mad at me for being in their field, especially after they spread manure. I don't want to touch it. Sorry guys if you're mad at me for standing in your field. Oh, battery died. Okay, it does work. Very good. So it's back in business. All right guys, thanks for watching. Bye.